Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making grilled ham, egg, and cheese with tomato in a cast iron skillet. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our pockets, I like to use a mayonnaise jar lid and cut a hole in the middle, just like that. There it is. I can put that back later. And now let's get started. Now we're going to set our stove burner to medium low and let it get nice and hot. It'll take about 4 minutes. Okay, now that the pan's warm, I like to spritz it with a little bit of oil, and then we can add our sandwich. Put the bottom down there, and now all we gotta do is crack our egg. Put our lid on and let it cook. Okay, let's check our egg and give it a flip. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Now we'll let that go a minute. And then we can put that little piece back right on top. Okay, let's give it a little flip back. And now we can put that little piece back on top. Just like that. And we can flip it back over. Push down a little bit. There you go. Now we can start building our sandwich. We can put a little bit of cheese. A little bit of ham. And now we're going to use some tomatoes. And there you have it right there. Okay, now what we ought to do is put a little pepper on there. A little bit of salt. And we put the bread on top. Push down a little. And now all we do is wait. And it should be done in no time. Okay, let's see how it is. We'll flip it. Definitely toast it. There we go. We flip it over and we're going to toast the other side. And we get that cheese melted and the ham with the tomato. Oh, this is going to be tasty. Okay, let's flip it over and see how it is. Not bad at all. I'm going to toast it a little more on that side, maybe. And that looks good. Beautiful. As you can see, the cast iron pan here is really nice. Keeps the heat even all the way and on low, medium low. And your toasted ham, cheese, egg, and tomato sandwich is going to be really nice. We're going to be checking it out together. I'll bring it back when I plate it up. Yeah, here we go. Let's plate him up. And there it is. Beautiful. Alright. Let's cut into that and see how it looks. Cut right on through. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Let's see. It's hot, I know that. That looks beautiful. Let's take a little bite. Oh yeah. What a nice sandwich. And there you have it. Toasted ham, egg, and cheese with tomato. Really tasty. Well friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.